Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by assembling connectors, exchanges, wallets, and any CSV exports you still need. Once you have keys and addresses, log into Cointracker and enable two-factor authentication to protect access. Next, import Exchange APIs or upload CSVs for trades and transfers. This is the moment you make your transaction history machine-readable. Make sure to set the correct tax year and jurisdiction right away so the import maps to the proper reporting period. This avoids timeline errors later. Once your data is in, reconcile mismatches. Link duplicates and transfers between your own wallets so they don't double count as taxable events. Then categorize every item. Mark staking and airdrops as income, label sales as disposals, and tag cost basis adjustments where you have receipts. Use Cointracker's lot adjustment tools to apply FIFO or custom lots when cost basis is incorrect. Make sure to save after major edits. Consistent classification directly affects capital gains calculations and your final tax forms. You finish by exporting the required tax reports, Form 8949, capital gains summaries, and income reports for the year. Once done, reconcile totals against exchange-provided 1099s or your bank statements to catch any gaps. If numbers don't match, make sure to re-examine CSV timestamps, duplicate imports, and incorrect ticker mappings. Those are the usual culprits. If you still can't resolve a discrepancy, download the raw transactions CSV and contact Cointracker support with specific.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.